Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you how we can actually delete an image from our Firebase storage. So if we upload an image here from our app, then we can click delete image and it will be deleted in our Firebase storage online. And this of course does not only apply to images, you can delete any file with that. So if you set up your layout like I did, you can find the link to this source code in this video's description as usual. Then we can jump into our Android Studio project and create a new function to delete our image. That will be a private function, delete image, which will also take a file name, just as our download image and upload image function. So we actually know which image we want to delete. And we will launch a coroutine in this, in the IO dispatcher, just as usual, just as always. Coroutine scope dispatchers.io.launch. And here we will have that try and catch block again to catch exceptions. So in case an exception occurs, we simply want to switch the context of our coroutine to the main dispatcher and display a toast, just as we did it for the download image function. So let's just copy this block here. It will be exactly the same. Paste it here. And in our try block, we want to delete our image now. And that is probably one of the easiest things you can do with Firebase because it doesn't take any parameters to do that. We simply want to call our image reference. So that is just our Firebase storage reference that we created up here. Then we want to specify the child that we want to delete of that image reference, just as we did it for downloading an image. So we specify the child and we need to provide the path here, which is our images folder / file name, and then simply call .delete afterwards. So simply calling this delete function will delete our image. If we now call await after that, then we actually continue in this code if the image was deleted successfully. So let's simply display that as a toast. So switch the context of the coroutine again to the main dispatcher. So we can display that toast. Toast.make text, this at main activity, and write successfully deleted image. Toast.length long and .show. And that's basically it for our delete image function. That is very simple to do. Now we only need to add an on-click listener to our button delete image, .set on-click listener, and delete our image, which I called my image here. So let's run our app and go to our Firebase console to see if everything is working. I open up my emulator here and I go into my images folder in my Firebase storage. You can see my image is still there. There it is, it will load. And if I now go into the emulator and click on delete image, then it says successfully deleted image. And if we reload the page or simply navigate back and navigate forward again, then you can see there are no files here yet because our image was deleted. So that was a very quick video because deleting images or deleting files in your Firebase storage is super simple, as you can see. I hope this still helped you to understand that. If so, please let me know in the comments below. And also if you have any questions, then really don't mind asking these below. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.